If you want to work with multiple screens on your Apple MacBook Pro or Apple MacBook Air, using a docking station can make the setup much easier. A dock like the Dell WD-22TB4 Thunderbolt dock lets you connect several monitors, USB devices, and other accessories using a single cable. Once connected, macOS can automatically detect the displays and allow you to extend your desktop across multiple screens. This setup is useful for productivity tasks like editing, coding, or multitasking because it gives you more workspace without constantly switching windows. Step 1. Connect the Dell docking station to your Mac using a USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. Step 2. Plug your external monitors into the dock using HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C cables. Step 3. Power on the dock and monitors so your Mac can detect the displays automatically. Step 4. Open System Settings, then Displays on macOS. Step 5. Select Arrange and drag the display icons to extend your desktop across the monitors.